Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi. I'm excited to announce our new updated list of our offices in California. We have 2 offices in Southern California, one in Beverly Hills and one in Woodland Hills. We also have 1 office in Bay Area in the city of San Francisco. If you're close to any of those offices, we prefer an in-person consultation. Then we do microscopic evaluation, macroscopic evaluation, and we come up with a design of your hairline and so forth. If you're not close to any of our offices, we have an option for you too. You can have an online consultation with us. You send all the information, we arrange for a Zoom meeting or another type of video consultation, and we evaluate everything. We even can plan your hairline on the computer, and you can have a good plan ahead of time, and after master plan, you can start the journey toward a full head of hair. Thanks for watching.